Good morning, one and all present over here. We, the students of TNR Excellence Academy, are here to delineate about our unsung scientist, Dadaji Ramji. Annasutta. A stanza from Annasutta from Rigveda tells that Annam Parabrahma Swarupam, which means food is a form of godliness and it is the essence of our life. According to Ayurveda, rice has majestic richness of carbohydrates and is considered as the king of cereals. Agriculture plays an important role in sustainable development and survival of human race and also cattle. Sadly, from past few decades, unfriendly weather conditions due to global warming, rising in rates of pesticides and fertilizers, converting of agricultural land into real estate ventures, migration in cities had led to downfall of mainstream farming and agriculture. To balance this, we need a new approach to varieties of seeds which are organic, viable to farmers, free from chemicals, good for consumption, and a variety which takes less water and yields good quantity and best quality. Today, we are going to know about a common man, a man of innovation, a man who invented many varieties of rice, who hails from agricultural background with zero technical knowledge but had profound knowledge in organic farming.
Dadaji hails from a village of Nanded in Maharashtra. He left school in 3rd grade as there was a need of farming help in his family and because of the adverse economical condition in his home. And he has done a work that can't be done by a qualified scientist and he failed in 3rd grade, so he was not qualified but did a work that can be done by a qualified scientist. In 1983, he spotted 3 yellow spike seeds and stored them in a plastic bag because then later in the next year he sowed them and obtained 10 kgs of husk rice, and as he tasted it was better than the Patel 3 variety which was already planted by him last year. And in 1988 in 1990 he in 1990 a person named Bhimrao Shinde, he sowed 150 kgs of seeds and obtained 90 sacks of rice, and he sold it to a trader in Nagpur, and then later the trader named it as HMT rice, as he bought a new watch which was HMT, which was very famous at that time, and he named it, and it still goes on as HMT rice.
Ramji was not only known for his creation of HMT but also is known for his development of variety of rice. One such variety was CR1009, which had high yield and was resistant to diseases and pests. Another variety was HTR47, which had extremely excellent taste and aroma. In addition to these varieties, Ramji also developed HMT Dhan1, which was a hybrid of HMT rice, and another variety was Taichung Native 1. The hybrid had a higher yield than HMT and was also resistant to diseases and pests. Dadaji's immense contribution to agriculture did not go unnoticed. In 1991, he received Padma Shri, one of India's highest civilian honors, for developing high-yield variety rice. In 2008, he also was awarded the prestigious Borlaug Award for his outstanding contribution to agricultural science and technology. His innovative techniques and tireless efforts have helped improve the lives of millions of farmers in India and beyond. Ramji has had a profound impact on India's agriculture and around the world. Today, his techniques and innovations continue to be studied by various